Wonderland began when I followed the white rabbit down the rabbit hole. All of a sudden, I fell. Down, down, down.
Oh, looking for the white rabbit. Wow. See for yourself.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit, wait, please.
He went this way. No, that way. Oh, wait, I'm late. It's a really important date. All right, hello, goodbye.
Where are dizzy daffodils on the hillside?
Now this is curious. Told you.
By the way, Wonderland, this way. I'm not sure where I am either. You could try this way.
We glanced at White Claws is fine instead.
She likes it red. If she's not white instead.
Imperial Highness, the Queen of Hearts, and the King.
Shall we play croquet?
Rule 42, the Queen will always win. And it was an unbirthday cake, too.